Good morning. Oh wow, it hasn't been, I think it has been like weeks since I picked up the camera. Anyway, so I'm back in Oldenburg in Germany, in my hometown. I'm with my parents right now. And yes, so many things happened. So many things, but I mean, to cut it short, I was at the end of my master thesis, so I was completely like focused on that, and I wanted to end my studies well. I only have my oral exam next week, so I'm back. I don't know how regularly I will upload videos again, but I'm back. I'm feeling so much better. I was really mentally exhausted, let me say, you guys. But yeah, so now I'm at home. Our dishwashing machine is broken. The water is not getting out or like getting sucked out. And I googled and they said that it could be the filter. So I'm kind of intrigued to try out to repair the dishwasher machine. Should I do that? I mean, here's the dishwasher, normal dishwasher. I think I have to open this one because I mean, it makes sense that the water goes out there. So I'm guessing if I open this, then maybe there's something stuck under it or like just a lot of grease. First things first, we're gonna ask YouTube. When the dishwasher is it can't drain, then you still hear the pump, but it's just like not working. So I'm guessing that it's, but like I said, that's what my family said. Let's find the tools for it. So bad. No, I think we need like proper, I can't work with these things. Okay, this is not working because, sorry, that was a mod. Tell me you're a girl without telling me you're a girl. So I got some tools, and yes, Tommy, I will place everything back where it belongs. Not like my mom, she doesn't do that. Remove this. Yeah, okay, that was easy. I think I also have to take down the bin because we have to get around. This will take a while. Here, I think I have to just loosen this one and then I can get them out. I think that's how you do it. I see now why they haven't done it before. Because the screws are so blocked. So if I don't get this one off, then I will just take the sides off. Uh-oh. No, it should be fine. Ow! How disgusting. Look. Yeah. Ow! Oh. I'm just continuing taking this apart, because I mean this filter looks really clean, so that's not the problem. Here, on the other hand, stands water. Ow! Okay, so my main question right now is where does the water go? But to be honest, I love figuring out how it works. Or like, no, I'm starting to love figuring out how it works because my confidence grows of what I can actually do, or at least try to understand. So what I think, what the one guy in one video did is blow air into the tube, and that kind of should help unblock it. I think I will try that, but I just don't know what tube. Because now the question is, what tube from these ones is the dishwasher tube? Oh, I'm really lacking the technical terms here right now. Okay, so I'm guessing it's this one because I will check, I will get my head in here, but I'm guessing it's this one because it goes, okay, this is disgusting. So do you see here, it goes into the normal tube, so I'm guessing that's the wastewater from the dishwasher, this one. And then this is the pump, because it has like the electrical wire, and I think this is the pump where also the water goes in from the normal one. I think that makes sense. I'm proud. Okay, let's continue. Should I actually detach the tube? This is really, because everything with water and sanitation, like if you don't put the tube back in the right way, I don't know what to do. I will pause and think. But do I trust myself to detach? I mean, I did it once. Like, I actually installed our sink in Rinteln. So, but like I haven't done that kind of thing before. But I'm just a bit scared. Because then I would blow air in it. Into the drain, into the wastewater drain. Yeah, but because that's what the guy said to do. Okay, let's document this disaster. I'm gonna take the tube out, and I really wanna film it. So let's see how this goes. I think this is like a forecast for a disaster. Oh yes. Like some water is coming out. I don't know if this is really stupid, but I saw it on YouTube. Maybe I should do it more. Oh, that's disgusting. I will now put on the washing machine. Let's see if it actually works. I mean, the first bit sounds normal. I just hope that it's not leaking or anything. But I put everything back. Sounds good. Let's see. It goes half an hour. We'll see. It sounds good. It should be done. Yeah, it should be done right now. Do you hear it? It sounds good. Okay, moment of truth. It just beeped, so it should be done. So if I see no water, then I would have success. Then it was a success, but okay, I will turn the camera. Okay guys, are you ready? I'm ready. Do you see water? I don't think so. Wait. There's no water! Oh my god. Okay, I think I have to appreciate it a little bit more that I just did that. It's working. Yes! Oh my god. Okay, I'm proud. But we'll see how long this works. So, any questions? This was an unexpected video. I hope you liked the video. Unexpected, but that's what you get when you follow me. And I will see you maybe next Sunday. You never know with me, but see ya.